Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02430 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#ascot. So let me create one table. So I am creating one table called master table, master underscore table 2. So it's having employee number and name column. So table is created successfully. Now let me alter table master underscore table 2. Enable add constraint pk underscore empno 2. I think some mistake in this query. I'm deleting add. Okay, I am trying to enable the constraint. Okay, so I have tried to enable the constraint in the newly created table called master underscore table 2. So ORA-02430 cannot enable constraint, no such constraint. So just now only I created the table, but I have tried to enable the non-existent constraint. Okay, so no constraint. Okay, so what is the problem here? There is no constraint called pk underscore empno2. So first I am creating one constraint. So primary key constraint I am creating referring the employee number column in master underscore table 2. So now you execute the query alter table master underscore table 2 enable constraint pk underscore empno2. So this is the fix for ORA-02430, and in SQL developer I am refreshing the master table. You can see pk underscore empno2 constraint name is got created. So make sure that constraint is already there before you enable or disable it. So this is the fix for ORA-02430.